Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to your notes on your iPhone. It is quite simple and easy. Let's begin. And to back up your notes, you need to do the following. So first, open up your settings. Tap here on your Apple ID name and then select iCloud. And once you are in iCloud, look for a nose here and make sure that backup of notes now is enabled. So once you enable it, all your notes will be back up automatically on your iCloud. You can easily check that if you open up your browser and in browser open up iCloud.com, and here if you select notes, you're able to get all your notes like you have them in your notes application. Like that. Here I can see that to notes, and there if I top notes, I got exact the same notes. I can tap on that and I can check what's inside of that note. And that's how it works. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. And see you next time.